Hello guys, welcome to the part 2 of the video. As you can see, I managed to put the parts together last night. Unfortunately, I encountered some of the problems along the way. The first problem actually was the NOR bridge, probably the entire motherboard. I'm not sure exactly. When I tried to install the Windows, the NOR bridge of the motherboard got very hot and the computer freezed just like that. I checked the power supply, I checked the RAM. I thought there was a problem with the memory, but the memory module, they're working fine. So I had to improvise something, and I think I managed to do exactly. I think I managed to fix somehow the issue that I encountered last night. So I already checked if the thermal compound was in good condition, and unfortunately it wasn't. So I had to reapply the thermal compound right here after cleaning, of course. And I connected to the near the as you can see right here, near to the 3-pin connector of the motherboard. Okay. Of course, you won't be able to control it only if you have the fan controller. Yeah, you know. But I think it's, for now, it actually makes a lot of noise because it's very small, and I don't know. I tried to see if it has the oil leak inside, but no. This is how it works. Probably, I don't know. I got it in my spare parts anyway. And the second part that I encountered is the sound card actually works, but the microphone doesn't. So when you try to, if you want to use like recording your desktop or streaming or something else, you won't be able to because the sound card has a problem with the microphone. I double checked and it doesn't work at all. I tried almost everything. And the third problem that I encountered, the sound card of this motherboard, it only works on Windows XP. So if you actually install the driver, everything working fine, but you only use it if you want to use it. You need to use the SPDIF, pardon. So you have to connect to the motherboard first, and as you can see here, there is a green connector, and if the case doesn't have the cables, the right cables to connect it into the front of the case, you won't be able to use it in Windows 7. As you can see right here, this case doesn't have for the front panel. Yeah. So yeah, the power supply, however, doesn't have any issue. It worked fine. Also the memory, like I said before, the hard drive is very slow. I do not recommend using this as boot drive. Please find a cheap SSD and use it, because the mechanical drive and this type of mechanical drive, like Green Edition, is very bad. Anyway, the DVD burner I wanted to talk about earlier, right here. The DVD burner works fine. I managed to copy some of the games, the Neo Geo, and some about the emulators. The second DVD burner doesn't work, actually, doesn't spin at all. I think the engine is broken. But I leave it on because it looks very ugly anyway, the case, and yeah. In the part 3 of the video, I'm going to show you the parts and how it actually works, and also the gaming, and yeah. Thank you for watching. Bye.